Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Xbox One is online and updated. Once done, you'll create or sign into a Microsoft account. Use an existing email or a phone number to register. This becomes your gamertag anchor. On the sign-in screen, press the Xbox button, choose Add New, then select Create One. Follow prompts to enter email, create a password, and set country and birth date. Move deliberately. This first stage sets security and regional options that affect store and privacy settings. Once you've entered basic details, you must verify identity. This prevents future sign-in problems. You'll receive a code by email or SMS. Enter it on the Xbox when prompted. After verification, customize privacy and online safety. Choose who can see your profile, communicate, and join parties. Make sure to add recovery info like a secondary email or phone so you can reset your password. Save choices and allow the console to sync profile settings before continuing. You finish by signing into the Microsoft Store and Xbox Live so purchases and multiplayer work. Make sure your gamertag appears on the home screen. If you plan to buy games, add a payment method in settings later. Test multiplayer or Xbox Game Pass access right away. If something fails, check that your NAT is open, restart the console and router, and confirm the verification email was accepted. If problems persist, use the recovery info to reset the password or check account status on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.